Yo! Welcome to this episode of Alicia with DisneySea. So we bought our tickets from Changi Rewards. So I think it's cheaper by about $8. So we came out from the north exit and there's this lady holding a meeting point that got us to come downstairs. So now we are queuing up. Hopefully it's like don't have to queue so long, because what I heard is that you need to queue very long at the main entrance to buy tickets. So that's why we bought at Changi Rewards and it's cheaper. So we're getting our tickets here with our passport, then we'll walk towards DisneySea. So I got Alicia to wait inside with Anne, so I'll go and pick them up later. Okay, so let's go! A stroller, one day.
Sold under 1 meter. Okay.
Hey, hi. 就等不到我的 baby， 如果我的要那个 baby under 1 meter， 那我就会自己。
Please keep 1 day.
OK， どうも。
Name tag next.
どうもどうも。那个显示。はい。どうも。出去外面先。来。How is your stroller, Alicia? Is it good? Ichiban. No need button lah. As long as she don't climb, it's like a baby seat like that. Yay! Do you like it? Okay, let's go. Yay! We go to the middle, go one round first. Okay, now I'm waiting for my brother. My brother is not here yet. Wait for my brother and pass him the ticket before we go in. Actually, it's not that bad. I don't see so many people. But look at the Japan people, they're so cool. They are already cosplaying. All these people are like cosplaying, you know, and they're here to take photos. They are not even like working, they are cosplaying. Look at the culture, man. Amazing. Ooh, there's a chick and Dilbis there. This is the best place to capture this shot. He's a real man, you know. He's a real man. He's a real man. It's so funny. It's a shopping time for the ladies. So now you can see what is the quality of a night mode for Max. The mother can't stop trying things on her. She don't like it. Yeah. Okay, it's very good weather. I didn't do a vlog yesterday because it was raining and I got to go from like the airport to Shinjuku. It was crazy. Heavy rain was bad and cold. So today was very good weather and it's the perfect weather for Disneyland. Two hours. I have no idea what these people are queuing up for. I suspect they're queuing up, they make a line. I suspect they're queuing up for a parade or something. Wow. Amazing. And when we came in at like 10 a.m. they are already queuing till now. So you just sit here and they make one line. I think these are the perfect view for the parade. 走啊，我们去做那个啦，我们去做这个马啦。这个是刚才他们走楼梯下来的地方。